Good morning, Standard 4C. Today I am going to teach you nouns. In the previous class, I have taught you what is noun, how many kinds of noun, and from that proper noun, common noun was discussed. Now in this class, we will discuss about collective noun. The group of person, place, and group of things and persons. See, this is the group of flowers, a set of flowers. So it is called bouquet. The group of flowers, the set of flowers is called bouquet. Now here all of you see. Many keys are there. So the set of keys, it is called bunch of keys. Bunch of key. So this bunch is a collective noun. Bunch is the collective noun. And this bouquet, this is the bouquet. Bouquet is also a collective noun. So now my dear children, today I am going to teach you collective noun. So now let's come. I will teach you collective noun. So let us see. My dear children, in the previous class, I have taught you what are the naming words. And this worksheet number 1 I have taught you. Now I have told you worksheet number 2. Then this worksheet number 3. Now we will come to worksheet number 4. So this is the bunch of keys. So many keys. So collection of keys. So this name of the collection is bunch. Bunch. Now look at this picture. This is the collection of roses. So give a one word. Say one word for this collection of roses. It is a bouquet. A bouquet. A bouquet. Now here, this is a string of pearls. A string of pearls. This is a bunch of keys. See, look at that. This is bunch of keys. So here, my dear children, bouquet, string and bunch, these are also naming words. Like roses, pearls and keys, this bouquet, string and bunch, these are also naming words. So when a noun stands for the collection of a person or things, that is called a collective noun. So this is the collection of thing, this is a collection of thing, this is a collection of thing. So these are called collective noun. Now come to here, flock. Flock is a collective noun. It is a flock of sheep. It is an animal. Group of sheep, that is called collection of sheep, is called flock. Collection of soldiers, army. Collection of ships, fleet. So this flock, army, fleet, these are also naming words. Now let us come to this one I have discussed in the previous class, worksheet number 5. So here you have seen that the word that is written in block letter, some spelling mistake is there. So first letter of this block letter word, it will be removed and replaced by the another letter so that it will give the correct word. So a block of sheep, no. Here block, b, will be removed with f, flock of sheep. Now come to next, a fleet of ships. So sir will be removed with f, fleet. It's fleet of ships. Third, a bunch of grapes. Munch is wrong. A bunch, b, bunch of grapes. Now fourth, a sack of cards. No. A pack of cards. Sir will replaced with p. 5. The swarm of bees. Swarm, d will be replaced with sir. Is swarm of bees. A bird of elephants. Not bird. It's herd of elephants. H-E-R-D. Herd. A choir of singers. Not choir. It's choir of singers. C-H-O-I-R. T-H will be replaced by CH. So this worksheet number 5 is discussed in the previous class. Now come to this. Now we will do worksheet number 6. So here some nouns are, collection of nouns are there. You have to read the given below. These are collection of words like robbers, lions, wolves, clothes, rooms, flowers, players. So you have to put the correct collective noun. So a pride of lions, a pride of lions. So here it is lion. A wardrobe of clothes, 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 a wardrobe of clothes. A suit of rooms, rooms, rooms. A bouquet of what? Flowers, flowers, flowers. Now a team of players, players, players. A gang of robbers, robbers, a gang of robbers. Now in this way you have to do this worksheet number 6. Now come to next, turn page. Now turn to the passage 8.3, a true friends, unit sports of my English reader. Pick out the one collective noun from the story, write it below and write also 5 more collective nouns. So here this is the book, story book. So here first turn on the page, this true friends. So pick out the one collective noun. So here all of you see that the one collective noun, I think it is classroom. His classroom. Classroom means where the number of students sit. Collection of students in the room. So it is classroom. So here this classroom is the collective noun. Another or 5 you can write: a pride of lions, wardrobe of clothes, suit of rooms, bouquet of flowers, team of players. So many collective nouns are there. So this is your C work. You must write down here. This is the left side of your book. This is the right side. On the left side, top corner, you will write classwork and put date 22nd April. Now come to worksheet number 7. Give one word for the group of words given in bold in each of the statement given below. Take the help of the aid box. This is the aid box: shoal, family, troop, staff, audience, queue. So a line of people waiting for their turn into the bus. So line of people, it is called line of people, queue. Line of people is queue, Q-U-E-U-E, queue, Q-U-E-U-E, queue. Now come to next, a group of people watching a show or attending a lecture. Audience, A-U-D-I-E-N-C-E, audience, darshak. A group of people watching a show is audience, audience. Now Rahul saw a large number of red colored fish in the aquarium. So group of fish is called shoal, S-H-O-A-L, shoal. Large number of fish is called, group of fish is called shoal, S-H-O-A-L. So Rahul saw shoal of red colored fish in the aquarium. Now next is 4. A group of parents and children waiting at the dining table for the food to be served. So it is family. It is family. So family are waiting. A group of parents and children is called family. All the teachers in the school attending a meeting with the principal. So it is staff, S-T-A-F-F, staff. All the teachers, staff. A group of monkeys perched on the wall in a zoo. So it is troop. Group of monkeys called a troop. So line of people, queue. Group of people watching a show is audience. Rahul saw a large number of red colored fish, shoal. A group of parents and children waiting at the dining table for the food to be served. It is family. All the teachers in a school attending a meeting with the principal. It is staff. A group of monkeys, it is called troop, T-R-O-O-P. This is also C work. Now come to do it yourself. This thing you have to do it. This is your H work. Read the words given below and put them in the correct boxes like Jaya, leopard, chimpanzee, Bhopal, computer, Himanshu, nightingale, turtle, doll, Patna, Shillong, wardrobe, chocolate, Ananya, swan, peach, Aditya, Rima, Nasik, Mysore. So there are people, how many blocks? 4 blocks, people, places, animals or birds and things. So you have to sort out the correct word in the correct column like Jaya. Jaya is the people, Jaya will come in people column. Leopard, leopard is the animal, leopard will go in the animal column. Chimpanzee, it will go in the animal column. Bhopal is the name of a place, it will come in the place column. Computer is a thing, it will go in the computer thing column. Himanshu is the name of a person, it will come in people column. Nightingale, name of the bird, it will come in birds column. Turtle, it will come in animal. Doll, it will go in thing. Patna, it will come in place. Shillong, it will come in place. Wardrobe, it will go in thing. Chocolate, it will go in thing. Ananya, it will come in people. Swan, it will come in animal and bird. Peach, it will come in thing. Aditya, it will come in people. Now Rima, it will come in people. Nasik, it will come in place. Mysore, it will come in place. So similarly you have to do it. Sort out the words from this group of words and then you have to place them in the correct column. So come to question number 2. Match the following with the collection. So here a troop of monkeys, a litter of puppies, a flock of sheep, a gaggle of geese, a herd of elephants, a swarm of flies, a troop of monkeys, a litter of puppies, a flock of sheep, gaggle of geese, herd of elephants, swarm of flies. So question 1 and 2 is your homework and question number 3 is also your homework. Fill in the blanks with one word. All the players in the dash perform the well. Players, group of players are called team. All the players in the team performed well. Uncles, aunts and nieces and nephew form a family. A collection of photographs is kept in an album. A team of dancers from Mexico visited our school last week. So your word team, second is family, third is album, fourth is team. So fill it, you have to do it. Come to question number 4. Driver is to the car as pilot is to aeroplane. Toothbrush is to teeth as comb is to hair. Teacher is to learners as doctor is to patients. Now come to question number 5. Put the words that go together. Oil and lamp, rain and clouds, needle and thread, baby and cradle, stars and nights. Okay children? So now come to question number 6. In question number 6, work with your partner and complete the following web chart with appropriate word. Like wild, you have to animals, domestic. The wild animals, you have to write down the wild animals like tiger, monkey, chimpanzee, lion, leopard. And domestic animals, cow, sheep, buffalo, turtle, dog, horse. Instead of turtle, you can use horse. So, in this way, you have to complete your C work and H work. Dear children, today your class is completed, so you have to do the homework and classwork is given to you. So according to the instruction you have to follow. So complete the work and then we will meet again in the same at the same time in the next day. Till then, goodbye. Bye bye.